On January 1st, 2024, at 6:24 a.m., I received an email. Title of the email was Challenge Awaits. And this was a strange email for two reasons. Number one, it had a diagram of this cryptic chess position, and it said white plays and mate in 2. And the second reason it was a weird email was because it was sent to my personal email address. Now, when I created the YouTube channel, I created an email to go along with it. That's the Chess Vibes email address that anybody on YouTube can find if you go and look for it. But my personal email, I don't just share with everyone. I don't post that online. So how exactly did this person get my personal email? I have no idea. Now, maybe hacker is too strong of a word, but nevertheless, it was a bit concerning. That being said, I was intrigued by the position, and I'm actually going to show it to you guys right now. So here is the situation. It's white to play and checkmate in 2 moves. And before I say anything else, if you would like to pause, there's only one winning move for white to checkmate in 2 moves. What do you think the move is? And by the way, I did not find this myself when I looked at the puzzle. Well, if you had a chance to look at that, let's kind of talk about what's going on here. So here's black's king. Our king is tucked over here in the corner. Our king is actually pretty safe. If you look carefully, we've got the bishops, if we need to block this diagonal from anything. And the knights are not in a position to put us in check. And really, black doesn't have much happening. So that's fine. But we still have to figure out how do we checkmate black's king in just 2 moves. And if you start looking, you'll notice that it's not easy to do. Check with the rook. Black simply takes with the queen. We don't have a follow-up checkmate. This capture here, we need more support. All we have is the queen. Nothing is defending it, so we can't do that. A check here simply loses our queen, so that's not going to cut it. Check here loses our queen. And you start to see the problem. Like, what exactly do you do? We have all these checks, but black has them all defended, right? The knight would take that one. Let's see, what else do we have? Knight to b7. The bishop would take it. Knight to c6. The queen would take it. It's also check to our king. You can kind of see the issue, right? Like, where's the checkmate? We have check with the rook here, but again, bishop's just going to take it. What exactly do we do? Now, the good thing is that the king is kind of trapped here. Queen, the bishop is controlling this, and the knight is controlling this. So that's good if we can figure out how to put the king in check. And while there are lots of moves that you could try and different ways that you could do it, black's pieces are actually perfectly set up to delay the game unless you play this move right here. This is the solution. Wait for it. Rook to g4. And it's one of those moves where it's like, okay, yeah, I mean, it's a move, but why would I think of that move? Of all the moves on the chessboard, why would I think of that one? I don't know. Maybe if you went move by move, one at a time, you could, by process of elimination, arrive at this. It's just not a move that I thought about. The point is very logical. You're going to just try to take the knight and deliver checkmate that way. And how does black stop you? That's really the question. Well, if they try to take your rook, they open up that b7 square, and now the knight can go there for the checkmate, which we talked about before the bishop would take, right? Okay, that's interesting. How else can they stop checkmate here? Well, maybe they move the bishop here. Same problem. It opens up the b7 square for checkmate. Okay. What if they try to defend with the queen? Well, we take the queen, and it's also checkmate, so that doesn't work. Okay, what if they defend with this knight? Because that looks pretty good. But then b4 opens up, and here we go. By the way, notice the knight is pinned. Okay, so they can't defend with that knight. What if they move the knight here to unleash the rook? Same problem. We take on b4. So we have actually 2 threats, 1 and 2. This one, of course, only happens if the knight moves, but that's part of it. And there's no other way for them to stop this. If they try to, let's see, block this with the queen so that we don't have support from the rook, well, then the queen no longer controls c6, and you go knight c6 checkmate. So regardless of how you look at it, black has no way to stop checkmate the next move. This was the solution, and like I said, I did not see it. Congratulations if you did. Yeah, I mean, let me know what you think. Do you think I was hacked? How do you think they found my email? And did you enjoy the puzzle? I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp, play smart, and take care.